We are thrilled that so many of you have had the opportunity to visit us on campus this fall and see everything that we have to offer. But the one place that you didn't get a chance to see is our newest renovation and the most updated places on campus. Just over the past few weeks, our new library, student commons, Walton Center, counseling department, college counseling department, and Center for Ignatian Pedagogy have all opened new spaces on campus. We're so excited about this phase of our renovation, where we truly brought student care and development to the heart of our campus, allowing us to best serve our students. But this is just the beginning. By the time the class of 2029 starts on campus, we'll have a whole new building. The Santo Hall is set to open in the fall of 2025, changing the way our campus works in such a positive way. We will have 17 new classrooms, 2 new art studios, a brand new student commons, athletic offices, locker rooms, training department, so many things for our students that changes the way our campus works. We're thrilled to welcome you back on campus as Ignatius men in the class of 2029.